These are some projects I've recently been working on in the shop. I had a friend ask me about perhaps building a train horn for his shop one day, and this was over a year ago. And I thought, well, someday I may do that. And I built these two. These are built from PVC pipe and fittings, and it's a 4-chime train horn, I guess for lack of a better name. And I have tuned the pipes to a major scale. That is, I think this is a G major, I forget what it is. This is a 1 octave down. And I made 2, one for him and one for me. So let's see how they sound. We're running them on compressed air. They are made identical, as close as I can make it, but they sound completely different. But anyway, they're both 4-chime major scale horns tuned to G sharp. So these are G sharp major horns. And that's what I've been working on lately.